Hello, let's talk about something that doesn't get said enough when we speak about alignment. It can feel absolutely terrifying at first. Seriously, everyone loves to glamorize the word alignment. It's become this shiny thing we are all chasing. But the real, raw truth. Alignment can shake you to the core, and that is not a bad thing. That is actually a powerful indicator that you are heading in the right direction. Because here is the deal. Alignment doesn't always feel like peace and joy right away. Sometimes it feels like a full-blown identity crisis. Sometimes it feels like losing your grip on the roles that once has given you comfort, safety and recognition. You're doing the work, you're setting boundaries, you are letting go of old patterns, relationships or businesses that no longer feel alive. And instead of feeling liberated, you feel fear. You feel disorientated, maybe even a little panicked. I have been there more than once. Let me tell you a story from one of my biggest pivot points in my life. Years ago, I walked away from a business that was successful on the paper. I had clients, I had cash flow, I had approval of my peers and mentors. But inside, I felt like I was living somebody else's life. Like I built a castle on somebody else's blueprint. I knew I had to change, and I knew change would be radical. So I made the leap. I chose alignment over approval. And you know what happened next? It wasn't bliss, it was breakdown. I felt anxious, unsure, and suddenly invisible. Who was I if I wasn't the successful one anymore? Who was I without that title, that reputation, that rhythm? And that's what I want to talk about today. Because if you are in this phase where things feel messy and unfamiliar, you are not falling apart, you are shedding. You are becoming everything that isn't you. So the real you can rise. Let's break this down together. Alignment breaks false identities. Think about the roles you played. The high achiever, the fixer, the provider, the peacemaker. These identities might have served you once. They help you earn love, safety or approval. But they were never the real you. And when you choose alignment, those false identities to begin to fall away. Which means your ego. It's going to panic. It's going to try to pull you back into the familiar. Because alignment doesn't rearrange your schedule. It rewires your self-concept. And yeah, that feels scary. But also, that is the door to liberation. Your nervous system is catching up. Your body doesn't know the difference between change and danger. And even when the ship is good, your nervous system might resist it. That fear of or shakiness you feel, it's not a sign to turn back. It's your system adjusting to a new frequency. This is important. Give yourself grace in recalibration. Your healing isn't just emotional, it's physiological. You are teaching your body that it is safe to be yourself, safe to rest, safe to say no, safe to stop performing. So breathe and pause. Let your system catch up. How to ground into alignment. Here's what I share with my private clients when they are walking through this exact moment. Number one, permission to grieve. Even when the old life was out of alignment, it probably gave you something: status, identity, relationship. You are allowed to mourn that. Grief isn't a sign that you are going backwards. It is a sign that you are letting go constantly. Number two, anchor daily truths. Write this down. This is who I am becoming. This is what I stand for. This is what I no longer tolerate. Say it aloud. Rewire your subconscious with clarity and conviction. Number three, create micro wins of integrity. You don't have to blow everything up overnight. Just start with micro-aligned actions. Cancel one misaligned obligation. Speak one honest truth. Prioritise one moment of rest. These small wins create momentum. They rebuild trust with yourself. What happens on the other side? Here's the beauty of sticking with it. You feel clear, grounded, powerful. You stop giving your energy to people and roles that drains you. You start attracting opportunities and relationships that matches your real frequency. And suddenly, you don't feel like you are faking anything. You are not managing perceptions. You are just being. The people who truly see you, they rise up to meet the real new you. The ones who can't, they drift with grace. Yes, you lose some approval, but you gain authentically. And that, my friend, is everything. So, if you are in the messy middle right now, the in-between of who you were and who you are becoming, I see you, and I promise you, it's worth it. This fear is not the end. It's the invitation to keep going. Let it become comfortable. Let it be sacred. You are not unraveling. You are remembering. And if you want a space to ground into that new identity, come and explore to energetic restoration journey. It is where we build from truth, not pressure. From wholeness, not hustle. Alignment isn't just a decision, it is a lifestyle. and you are walking it. Thank you for watching Unparalleled Lifestyle. Until next time, many blessings, wherever you are in the world.